What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to report that an item hasn't arrived on eBay. Now I am doing this on the eBay mobile application for both iOS and Android. However, this will work on desktop as well. It'll just be a slightly different variation of process. So go ahead and open your eBay app. From here, you're going to want to go to that toolbar on the bottom, select My eBay. And then the fourth option from the top there, head into purchases. You will see all of your recent purchases. I'm going to select this one right here. You're going to want to scroll down a little bit and you will see those two buttons towards the bottom there, that blue highlighted text for leave feedback as well as more actions. Go ahead and click on the button for more actions. You will see a bunch of different options here, and fourth from the top, you can report that the item has not arrived. Now, for whatever reason, if you don't see this button for item has not arrived, that means that the item is still within the window of the delivery service that the seller provided, and you can't report that it hasn't arrived because it simply wasn't expected to arrive before you put it in. But this was an item that I ordered well over 3 weeks ago, so I'm going to put item has not arrived. It'll load up a little bit and also require a little bit of additional information from you. It essentially explains what kind of process you're going through. You could send the seller a request, and then they'll have 3 business days to respond before eBay steps in. You'll see it says the tracking details. If it already says that it's out for delivery or that it's been delivered, you're probably not going to have a lot of success doing this, regardless of if you haven't received the item or not. eBay works strictly off the tracking when determining who to favor in what case. From here, you can select whether you still want the item or you just simply want a refund. I'll just say still like the item. And for some reason, it requires you to make something in the text box. I almost always just reiterate and say item hasn't arrived. I'm not sure why it even requires you to do this. There's a reason why you're submitting this request, and it's because the item hasn't arrived. There really isn't any extra info. So go ahead and submit that request. It's going to take a little bit longer to load up and get the request processed. And once you are on this screen, you can confirm that the request has been sent. Basically a request for the seller to take action because the item has not arrived. You can see the request summary, the exact money that you requested in terms of the purchase, as well as the history. And over time, within a couple hours here or 24 hours, I'm sure I'll get a response from the seller. He'll likely either just issue me a refund or upload different tracking from before. But lots of cases are going to go in different ways. Once you are on this screen, though, you can confirm that you have submitted a return request for eBay. That's pretty much all there is to it, though. If you did have any questions or needed any help, leave a comment down below. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.